Hi everyone, just back with two more blank journal kits that I made up today. Had a lot of requests for these after the, was it 3 I put on last night? And they went very quickly, and I had a lot of messages asking was I going to make some more, and so I did. So I'm going to do a quick flip through of them. They're very similar to yesterday's one, so I will quickly show you the journal. This is this one, and I've used Artie May's Nature Walk for this one, so it's got hints of blue in it. So it is 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and like I said, they're blank journals with the bits that I'll show you afterwards. Glassine bag, dictionary page, some Edith Holden. All the papers have, it's either tea or coffee dyed, because they're all kind of mixed up now. Just depends on how I feel when I'm coffee dyeing papers and tea dyeing them. Because believe it or not, I'm not a coffee drinker, and I don't really like the strong smell of coffee. I prefer tea. I'm going to try and do these quickly. One's got a little pocket there. The other side of the glassine bag. Love the kind of marbly effect that came out. So that is the journal with that kit. I'm trying not to muddle them up because there is slightly different things, and then you get your little bag of doodads. So you get the bag to use as well. So we've got the bling, the little puffy stickers, some gems. These are sticky back. There's this charm with this one. It's very pretty. There is buttons. So you got your buttons there. I'm not going to pick the beads up because they're going to go everywhere. These two little kind of resin flowers, and then these beads. So put them back in there. I got a little bit confused last night when I was trying to put everything back, so I had to like watch my videos to see which one went with which. Oops. There we go, that's that one. Then there is this little pocket that I've made, like an envelope pocket just with paper, and a doily. And inside that, let me make sure everything's out, so you'd use that in a journal. So here we have 4 little tags and 10 tickets. This piece of trim, see if you can see that a bit better. I'm rubbish at showing trim. There we go. I love how some other people show you trim, and they do it so delicately. These little flowers. You get 5 little butterflies, which I've put the eyelash trim on. There is 2 of the jelly bean soup pockets ready for you to glue together. There is 6 tags. There is 4 doilies. This napkin. 2 little coin envelopes, 2 index cards, and a yes check. So let me try and pop all that in there. I'm working in such a state at the moment. If I could show you I'm not going to show you it because it's absolutely disastrous. I need to spend a day tidying up. Well, it might take a week. So again, we've got the journal, and I will show that. Different papers inside. Paper bag, some lined paper, doily, Edith Holden page, ledger paper, glassine bag. We've got a pocket here. I'd actually done some stenciling on these. It's because the papers were they're very light. They are printables, but they are very light, so I just thought I'd add some more detail to them. The other side of the paper bag. A little pocket there. So that is the journal with that one. And it's the same things in this, apart from the beads are a little bit different and the charm. I'm not going to pull them all out, but it was the same as the first one. The charm is actually a little butterfly brooch. You can see that. So that's that. And there's only a few things different in this one, which is, I think it's the, it's all the same amount of things. Let's see. So we've got the tickets. The butterflies are of a different cardstock. We've got the little flowers. This trim here, which is a little bit different. We've still got the 4 little tags, the 4 doilies, the 2 coin envelopes, the 2 jelly bean soup pockets ready to put together, 2 index cards, tags, the napkin is different in this one. I've ordered some more of these napkins, they're ever so pretty. eBay, I got them, and a guest check. So that is that kit. So they will be listed on my Etsy as soon as this video goes live. They're actually listed, I'll just wait for the video to upload and then I'll add the link to the video. The link to the video? The link of the video to the listing. So I just want to make sure it's all in there. Don't want to be chasing things about. So that's the kits. Ugh. Still managed to make a light mess. So that's all them there. The links will be below, and if you have any questions, just ask. Also, it's Easter weekend. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I hope some of you are having time off and enjoy it with your family. And I will be back soon with some more videos. So bye for now.